boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I came across this song from NAKAMURA called SMS. So this one will be a short one. We only have 3 chords and 1 strumming pattern, that's it. So let's start this one with capo set here on the 1st fret. And the chords will be E minor, A minor, and D. So let's start with E minor first. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord was the A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, we got the D chord here, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So the chord progression will be E minor, A minor, D, and back to A minor. And that goes round and round. Now finally we need to learn how to handle the chords. So the strumming pattern, let's grab that E minor, and one strumming around will be down, up, clap, down. So like this. Down, up, clap, down. And the rhythm, to get an idea of how it sounds, I'm going to give you a couple rounds of this strumming with the E minor. So. And so on. So with the chord progression, E minor, A minor, D, and A minor, you're going to play 1 strumming around per chord. It sounds like this. Alright, so that's it. I am NAKAMURA, SMS. Good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.